Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We're Emma and Harry.
We help you practice English through calm, real-life conversations.
And today's topic is get, part 2. We're going deeper into this tiny word that can totally change your English.
So let's get started together and make get feel a lot more natural.
This cafe is so cozy today. I love the soft light by this window.
Yeah, it feels calm, but also full of little stories. Everyone here just got here from a different kind of day.
True. Some people just got off work, some got a break from their kids, some probably got stuck in traffic.
And here we are, still talking about the word get.
We started in the last lesson, and we still have more to say. That's how big this word is.
Exactly. Last time we talked about get for feelings, places, and daily life, like get tired, get home, get a job.
Today, we're going to the next level, but still in simple, real-life English.
We'll show you how get can help you talk about getting things done, asking for help, and dealing with life.
And we'll connect it to your English journey too, because your English can get better step by step.
So grab your coffee in your mind, imagine you're sitting here with us.
And let's talk about some powerful ways to use get in real life.
Okay, let's start with a really useful pattern. Get something done.
Yes, get something done is like magic for busy adult life.
It means you arrange for something to be completed, often by someone else.
For example, I need to get my hair cut.
That means you're not cutting your own hair. You go to the hairdresser and get it done.
Another example, I got my phone fixed yesterday.
You didn't fix it yourself. You took it somewhere and they fixed it for you.
In adult life, there are so many things we need to get done.
I need to get my laptop cleaned. There's dust everywhere in the keyboard.
I need to get my eyes checked. I spend so much time looking at screens.
You can also use it in bigger situations. We need to get the house painted this year.
Or, I finally got my documents translated for my visa.
Let's make some little stories with get something done.
Sure. For example, yesterday was my get things done day.
I got my teeth cleaned, I got my car washed, and I got my internet fixed.
That sounds like a very adult kind of day.
Yes, the kind of day where you don't relax, but you feel proud because you got a lot done.
You can also use it with work tasks. I need to get this report finished by Friday.
Or, I can't relax until I get these emails answered.
Notice something. Sometimes we use get something done. Sometimes we use verbs like finished, answered, cleaned, painted.
Right. The structure is get plus object plus past participle.
Get my hair cut, get my phone fixed, get the house painted.
It sounds very natural, especially when you're talking about services.
Hair, car, documents, house, computer, phone, all the grown-up things.
Let's give our viewers a little challenge.
Good idea. You can think, this week I need to get blank done.
Maybe, I need to get my room cleaned.
Or, I need to get my schedule organized.
Or, I really need to get my health checked.
You can pause the video later and write one real sentence from your life with get something done.
That's how English gets more real, when you connect it to your own to-do list.
Now let's talk about another powerful use of get. Get someone to do something.
This is about persuading someone or helping someone finally do a thing.
For example, I finally got my friend to start learning English again.
That means you encouraged them, motivated them, maybe sent videos like this one.
Or my sister got me to try yoga.
So she convinced you, little by little.
We use this a lot in real life, especially with healthy habits.
I'm trying to get my dad to go to the doctor.
I'm trying to get my kids to eat more vegetables.
Or in work life, I got my team to use a new app for planning.
You can hear both effort and success in this structure.
I'm trying to get someone to do something. You're still in the process.
I got someone to do something. They finally did it.
Let's make a small dialogue with get someone to do something.
Okay, imagine I say, Harry, I'm trying to get my friend to practice English, but she's shy.
I could say, maybe send her short videos and get her to repeat just one sentence each day.
Or, I finally got her to join an online speaking group.
Another example, my roommate got me to wake up earlier.
Maybe he said, come on, let's get up and go for a walk before work.
So, to our viewers, is there someone you're trying to get to do something?
Maybe you're trying to get your friend to learn English with you.
Or trying to get your partner to travel more?
Or trying to get yourself to stop scrolling at night. That's also a big one.
You can say, I'm trying to get myself to go to bed earlier.
It's funny, but we often have to get ourselves to do things that are good for us.
Right? And this way of using get makes your English sound very real and honest.
Let's move to some really emotional and useful phrasal verbs with get.
Yes, these are great for talking about life, not just grammar.
First, get over something.
Get over means to recover from something difficult, like a breakup, a failure, or even a cold.
It took me a long time to get over that relationship.
Or I'm still trying to get over that big mistake at work.
You can also use it in lighter ways. I can't get over how beautiful this city is.
That means you're very surprised or impressed.
Next, get through something.
Get through is about surviving or finishing a hard period or task.
English podcasts helped me get through a lonely year.
Or I drink tea to get through busy Monday mornings.
You can also say, I don't know how I'll get through this week.
But later, you might say, somehow I got through it.
Then we have get into something.
This can mean enter a place, but also start to enjoy or become interested in something.
I'm getting into meditation these days.
Or I got into watching English vlogs during the pandemic.
You can also use it for long-term interests. She got into photography in high school.
And another one, get out of something.
This one is interesting. It can mean escape or avoid something you don't want to do.
He always gets out of washing the dishes.
Or I tried to get out of the meeting, but I couldn't.
It can also mean receive a benefit. What do you want to get out of this course?
That means what do you want to gain or learn from it?
For example, our viewers might say, I want to get more confidence out of these videos.
Or I want to get natural phrases out of this channel.
Let's connect these phrasal verbs to our real lives a bit.
Sure, I'd say I'm still getting over some old fears about speaking in public.
I'd say daily English talk helped me get through some stressful months because I focused on something positive.
Recently, I've been getting into slow mornings, coffee, reading, no phone.
And sometimes I try to get out of social events when I'm too tired.
That's very human.
To our viewers, which one feels true for you right now? Getting over something, getting through something, getting into something new?
Or trying to get out of something that doesn't feel right for you? You can choose one and turn it into a real sentence about your life.
Now let's talk about get for change over time.
Yes, this is so powerful for your English and for your life.
You can say get better, get worse, get easier, get harder, get more comfortable, get more confident.
For example, at first, speaking English was scary, but it's getting easier.
Or my listening is getting better, slowly but surely.
You can also talk about negative change, but be gentle with yourself.
My sleep has been getting worse lately.
Or things got a bit harder at work this year.
Another really important structure is get used to plus verbing or noun.
Get used to means you become comfortable with something little by little.
I'm getting used to listening to English without subtitles.
I'm getting used to waking up earlier.
Or I got used to living in a new city after a few months.
You can even say, you'll get used to my accent.
Yes, our accents, our speed, the way we talk, your brain can get used to them.
At first, it might feel too fast or too much.
But if you stay with us, your ears will get used to it.
And one day, you'll think, wow, this is getting easier.
Let's make some emotional examples.
It took me a long time to get used to asking for help.
I'm slowly getting used to saying no when I'm too tired.
For English, you can say, I'm getting used to hearing my own voice in English.
Or I'm getting used to making mistakes and not giving up.
That's a beautiful one because mistakes mean you're trying.
So if your English feels difficult right now, remember this sentence.
It will get better if I keep going.
Not perfect tomorrow, but better.
Your vocabulary will get bigger.
Your ears will get faster.
Your fear will get smaller.
And your confidence will get stronger.
There are a few more get phrases we use all the time.
Yes, for example, get back to someone.
That means answer them later.
I'm busy now, but I'll get back to you this afternoon.
Or, sorry, I didn't get back to you yesterday.
Another one is get behind, like I got behind on my work.
That means your tasks are waiting and you're a bit late.
You can also say I got behind on my English practice last month.
And that's okay. You can always start again.
There's also get ahead.
I'm working hard to get ahead at my job.
Or I want to get ahead in my English this year.
Notice how get is everywhere when we talk about life, goals, work, and emotions.
Exactly. You don't need to remember every rule perfectly.
But you can start to feel the idea of get. Movement, change, progress, and reaction.
Now let's give our viewers some practice.
Okay. You can pause later and complete these sentences from your real life.
This week, I need to get blank done.
I'm trying to get blank to blank.
Right now, I'm getting over blank.
Listening to English videos helped me get through blank.
These days, I'm getting into blank.
I'm trying to get out of blank because it doesn't feel right for me.
My English is getting better at blank.
I'm getting used to blank in English.
And one more, I want to get more blank out of these lessons.
You can choose just one or two and write them in the comments.
When you write real sentences, English stops being just a school subject.
It becomes the language of your real life, your real story.
So that was our conversation about get, part 2.
We talked about getting things done, like get your phone fixed, get your hair cut, get your house cleaned.
We learned how to get someone to do something to gently persuade or encourage people around you.
We explored emotional phrasal verbs like get over, get through, get into, get out of.
And we used get to talk about change. Get better, get worse, get easier, get harder, get used to.
We also added useful phrases like get back to you, get behind, get ahead.
All of these make your English sound more natural, more adult, more real.
Remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be alive.
And get is one of the words that keeps your English moving and alive.
For your homework, we'd love you to write 3 to 5 real sentences in the comments using get.
You can choose from these ideas.
This week, I need to get blank done.
I'm trying to get blank to blank.
I'm getting over blank, or I'm getting through blank.
I'm getting into blank these days.
My English is getting better at blank.
Or I'm getting used to blank in English.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just be honest and simple.
We really love reading your sentences. They help us understand your life and your journey.
If this lesson helped you, please give the video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lessons.
You can also share this video with a friend who is trying to get better at English too.
Thank you so much for spending your time and energy with us today.
We are Emma and Harry, and we're happy to be part of your English journey.
Remember, your English will get better if you keep going, step by step.
Take care of your mind, body, and heart, not just your to-do list.
We're sending you a calm, deep breath wherever you are.
See you in another lesson soon. Bye for now.